Life before we used Filmcote was warm. It was really warm inside the house. We ended up having to open all the doors and windows.
Life in this room particularly would be a little more uncomfortable if we hadn't had the window film. It's no exaggeration, we were actually wearing sunglasses in this room in the summer. But there's more to it than that. It's not just the light, it's the heat. And we decided very quickly that the window film was the answer to the issues.
The conservatory was just way too hot, to such an extent that we couldn't really use it. We were immediately amazed by how effective the Filmcote was.
It's reduced the heat from the outside sun, but also it's retained some of the heat during the winter time as well. So we feel that we've had a reduction in our heating bill, as well as all of the other benefits that we knew we were getting when we purchased the film in the first place.
The end result has transformed the space for us, and it has enabled us to use this space at any time of year, at any time of day, without any worries about where the sun is.